Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create groups in Mailchimp so you can segment your audience, deliver targeted technical content to the right people, and manage your professional subscriber interests with a high-end studio approach in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access your audience dashboard. The first step is entering the Data Management Hub where all your subscriber information is stored. In 2026, Mailchimp has optimized the audience interface to make finding these studio-level organization tools much faster for technical creators. Log in to your Mailchimp account and click on the Audience icon. It looks like a group of people in the left-hand navigation sidebar. Before you can categorize your users into software tutorial fans or market analysis followers, you must be in the central database where your 2026 bookkeeping and professional data live. Next, navigate to the Groups submenu. To create a specialized structure within your list, you can click on the three dots icon in the top navigation and select Group from the dropdown. Click the Create Group button. Next, create a new group category. Now you need to define the primary studio category that will house your specific sub-interests. Choose how the groups will appear on your sign-up form. For a professional look, select checkboxes if they can pick more than one, or radio buttons if they should only pick one. This setting determines how your audience interacts with your brand. Choosing checkboxes allows a subscriber to sign up for both your software tutorials and your market analysis updates simultaneously. In the Group category box, type a broad name like Interests or Content type. Below that, in the Group Names boxes, type in your specific technical areas, such as QuickBooks tutorials, Power BI updates, or Forex game plans. Clear and professional naming conventions help your subscribers understand exactly what value you are providing. It prevents amateur quality confusion and ensures high engagement for your professional 2026 projects. And lastly, click the blue Save button at the bottom. Navigate to your sign-up forms and open the Form Builder to verify that your new groups appear as options for new sign-ups. And that's pretty much it. To create groups in 2026, go to your audience dashboard, click Manage Contacts, and select Groups. Hit Create Groups, choose checkboxes for your display style, and enter your category and group names. Once you click Save, your subscribers will be able to choose their own technical interests, giving your studio campaigns a professional, targeted edge. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.